Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for every good one. You're doing fantastic. You're doing fantastic. You did great. Come here and get your prize. Problem 1. 5. You got,
Play with someone.
I am coming, ready or no.
Ready, go! 1, 2, 3.
Will you marry me? I have lost you. I don't like that. I see you, friend.
No running in the hall. 15 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one. No running in the halls. 30 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn?